Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play with Michael Jordan in NBA 2K. First, you can easily find him in the Play Now mode. Simply navigate to the Classic Teams section and select the iconic Chicago Bulls from the 1990s. Michael Jordan is a key player on these legendary rosters, allowing you to jump right into a game with him. It's a straightforward way to experience his greatness on the court. Another popular method is through the My Team mode. Here, you can collect various Michael Jordan player cards. These cards are obtainable by opening card packs, completing specific in-game challenges, or purchasing them from the auction house using in-game currency. My Team offers different versions of Jordan, each representing a unique era or skill set, giving you diverse options for your dream team. For a more immersive experience, consider my NBA or franchise mode. Before starting a new save, ensure you enable the historic players option. This allows legendary players like Michael Jordan to be available in your league. You can then draft him in a fantasy draft or attempt to trade for him to add his unparalleled talent to your roster, guiding your team to championships. Finally, some NBA 2K titles feature dedicated Jordan challenges. These challenges allow you to relive some of the most iconic moments from Michael Jordan's legendary career. You'll be tasked with completing specific objectives, such as scoring 63 points or hitting a game-winning shot. Successfully finishing these challenges often unlocks exclusive content and provides a unique way to play as the GOAT.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.